So my playpen has arrived. It's called the Rollick playpen. It's 40 inches tall, 16 panels, and I got the black. I got it from FXW, and the box was a little damaged, so I hope my playpen is in good shape. So this will be the unboxing and put it together and see how it works. I'll put a link to their website in the description, and I'll also put a code in the description that will give you an additional 15% off of your first order. So if you use this code, that's for these guys. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. It's my first unboxing video. It's well packaged. And look, even got a pair of gloves with it. Looks like it comes with... Here's a little list of items that can be ordered along with this. I would go to the website and see what all they offer. It looks like they have a pretty large selection. All kinds of interesting things. I did order some puppy pads to go with the pen. They are on the way. Get a set of gloves, I guess, to put it together with. And some extra little rubber things to go in the bottom for floor protection. I guess in case you lose some, there's some extras. This first panel looks like maybe something was sat on it and bent the wires a little bit. It doesn't seem to affect the ability to use it, but I'll contact them and let them know there was a little bit of damage. We'll see how customer service is. I will update and let you know. Overall, looks like the shipping went well, even though the box was damaged. I don't see any real major issues. Panels are lightweight. They seem to be good and sturdy. Seems to be well built. They're 40 inches tall, so plenty big for... I have German Shepherd puppies, so I got that little bit taller one. I think they do offer a little bit shorter panels. This size would be perfect for pretty much any size dog. I'll speed the video up here in a minute to make this go by a little bit faster. There's 16 panels, so it may take a minute to unload all of them. Okay, so I'm fixing to put it together. They have a letter that says, "Thank you very much for purchasing our product. Honored to welcome you into the FXW family." So the idea is this will help with potty training, so you can keep your puppy in a smaller area in your home, so you can keep a closer eye on them. Safety for the puppy and for your home. So let's see how this thing goes together. All right, here we go. So here's a gate. comes with these long poles, and you simply are supposed to, there we go, line up these holes on the ends and slide the pole through. Very simple and easy to do. The poles have a point on the bottom, so if you were to put this in your yard, you could push that right into the ground, and that would help hold the pin in the area that you want it to stay in, there at the bottom. Okay. So let's go to the playpen. Easy to move around and maneuver. With 16 panels. So with 16 panels, you could do 2 pins, 8 panels each. So this one is 8 panels. So 8 panels would be a perfect size for one puppy in the house. Okay, so here is 1/2. This is 8 panels. And it has a great little door with double locks, so you kind of need 2 hands to open the door. You just push up on that and that opens. So let me see if I can incorporate my foot. There we go, with a foot and a hand, and the door opens. And when you push it closed, it latches. So there's enough panels over here and a
second door. So the 16 panel comes with 2 doors.
So yeah, this one's going to have 2 gates. You can make 2 pins, or you can make 1 large pin with 2 gates. I love the idea of having 2 pins, 1 in the house and 1 outside. Construction-wise, it seems to be well built. The welds look in good shape. It looks like it could hold up pretty well. I don't know that I would leave the one outside in bad weather, but for outside and in good weather or somewhere where it's out of the rain, I think it'll hold up just fine. It'll be great for puppies, pretty much any size. I don't think it would hold a large adult dog, especially one that pushes the boundaries. But I think for short-term use, even with a larger dog, it would probably be fine in the house. I really like this. I think it's going to be a great addition to my my arsenal of things here. So I got a puppy that's going home today, so let me go get him, put him in there, and see how it works. Okay, so I brought one of the babies in, and it's perfect. So he's kept separate from the other dogs. Plenty tall enough. This is an 8-week-old German Shepherd puppy. So he's already 18, 20 pounds. He's in there checking it out. And this is only half the pen, and it takes up almost my entire living room, the middle of it anyway.